Let's review the information provided. Blue Denim Company makes blue jeans. During the month of May, the company purchased $210,000 of materials. Blue Denim incurred direct labor costs of $135,000 and manufacturing overhead of $150,000. Inventory information is listed here. On May 1st, materials inventory equaled $68,000 and on May 31st, $22,000. Work in process equaled $50,000 on May 1st and $16,000 on May 31st. We are asked to calculate cost of goods manufactured for the month of May. The formula for cost of goods manufactured is provided here. We begin by adding direct materials plus direct labor plus manufacturing overhead. This equals total manufacturing costs. We then add beginning work in process and subtract ending work in process. This equals cost of goods manufactured. Using the information provided, let's start with direct materials. Direct materials is equal to the materials used in production during the period. We have calculated this in a previous cornerstone using the following equation: beginning materials inventory plus purchases minus ending materials inventory equals direct materials used in production. Direct materials used in production for Blue Denim Company is $256,000. Again, this can be calculated as adding beginning inventory of $68,000 plus purchases of $210,000 minus ending inventory of $22,000. Direct materials used in production is equal to $256,000. Using our equation to solve for cost of goods manufactured, let's plug in the information that we know. Direct materials is $256,000. Direct labor for the period is $135,000. And manufacturing overhead is $150,000. This equals total manufacturing costs for May of $541,000. Next, we add beginning work in process of $50,000. And we subtract ending work in process of $16,000. Cost of goods manufactured for Blue Denim Company is $575,000. For requirement 2, we are asked to calculate the cost of one pair of jeans, assuming that 115,000 pairs of jeans were completed during May. Per unit cost of goods manufactured is equal to cost of goods manufactured divided by the number of units produced. Cost of goods manufactured for Blue Denim Company is $575,000 divided by 115,000 jeans. Per unit, cost of goods manufactured is $5 per jean. Cost of goods manufactured is the cost of all goods manufactured during the period. It represents the direct materials, direct labor, and overhead for that time period, and the change in work in process.